The Mapimi Silent Zone is a remote desert region nestled within northern Mexico, spanning the states of Durango, Chihuahua, and Coahuila. This area has earned a reputation for mystery, fueled by tales of radio silence, bizarre phenomena, and sightings of unusual wildlife. Its legend began in 1970, when a U.S. Athena test missile veered off course and crashed in the desert, carrying radioactive material. The subsequent recovery operation sparked rumors of magnetic anomalies that disrupted radio transmissions, and stories soon emerged of strange mutations in local plants and animals, as well as alleged extraterrestrial encounters. Over time, these accounts have blended folklore with scientific curiosity, making the Mapimi Silent Zone a subject of ongoing fascination and investigation. Scientific investigations into the Zone of Silence have revealed that many of the reported anomalies, such as magnetic disturbances and radio transmission failures, are not unique to the area and can be found in other regions with similar geological features. Researchers have found no consistent evidence of unusual mutations in local plants or animals, nor have they confirmed persistent communication issues. The Mapimi Biosphere Reserve, which encompasses the zone, is notable for its rich biodiversity, hosting hundreds of bird and plant species, as well as numerous reptiles. Despite these findings, debates continue about the true nature of the zone's anomalies, with some visitors still reporting sporadic technical issues. Folklore and legends, fueled by stories of extraterrestrial encounters and mysterious phenomena, continue to shape the region's allure. As a result, the Zone of Silence remains a fascinating destination for both tourists and researchers, blending scientific inquiry with enduring myths.